In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Bereal not posting. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on Android, but you can do the exact process on your phone too, okay? So the first thing you need to do is log into Bereal and log into your account. After doing that, you will need to check if you are already waited the time to post the second Bereal, okay? It is because after you post one Bereal, you need to wait a certain time to post the second one, okay? I will show, so I will take a Bereal, I will record a screen, okay? And here you can see that there is no option to take a second Bereal, okay? It is because I need to wait a certain time to post the second one. So if you want to post again, you need to click on these three dots here and delete your Bereal, okay? So delete Bereal, select the reason, and delete again, okay? Yes, I'm sure. Yes, I'm sure, delete. And here you can take your Bereal again, okay? If you don't want to delete your Bereal and post the second one, you need to wait a certain time, okay? I hope I help you on how to fix Bereal not posting. So if this video helped you anyway, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.